Hi, thanks so much for stopping by today. This is Elaine with Lizzie Laine Designs, and I'm here with my February design team project for Nevermore Creations 17 on Etsy. And you can also find Lindsay's group on Facebook, Nevermore Creations. And today I used the Ocean Music Journal Kit. I've used this one before, but I loved it so much I had to use it again. I actually was working on both of them at the same time, but I was having a hard time with figuring out a cover, and I finally decided on this. I just thought that was perfect for the ocean theme. I'm a boater, so I just really liked this one a lot because I love the boat, and we go camping and go on the ocean and stuff. We go to Florida a lot. So here is what is in the kit before I show you that. And this one is printed at full size, and for this journal I downsized it and made a smaller one. So here are 4 cards you can use for tags or pockets or journaling cards. I think those are super cute. And here's some more ephemera and tags and different things. You can use them for anything. Here's one page. And I don't remember using that one. I might have forgot to print it, but we'll see. I don't remember seeing that one in my book. So there's that. There's this one. I think that's really cool. And I love the colors in here as well. That one. That one. That one. So you can print these single-sided, as I did to show you, or you could print some things on the back and have less pages and then have other pages in your book. There's that one and that one. So that is the whole kit. You can print it digitally yourself, or you can also order it and Lindsay will print it and ship it to you. So let's get started. I forget what size this was. I started this a long time ago, and I've been trying to figure out for the front. It's 5 by about 3.5. And I chose this map looking cover. And I did stitch around it as well. And this is sari silk that I dyed blue, so it would match perfectly. And it is 2 signatures, and I'll have to put down below how many pages because I totally forgot. I forgot to count before I got to you. So here is the front cover, inside cover. There's a pocket, and I made a tag out of another piece of the leftover paper on the front. And I have a little collage here with some dyed muslin and some dyed cheesecloth. And I used this button because it reminded me of a nautical northeast southwest thingy. You know, when you get on here you forget the names of everything. So that's why I chose that one, because I thought it looked like that. And here's the first page. And here's the second page, another little collage. And I stamped on some fabric. And there's this pocket. So we have this, and I used just a little coffee dyed piece of paper, and I punched these corners because it reminded me of a shell. And this is just a little fold out piece here. Then we have a little tab made out of muslin, and I stamped some shells on it, and there's a little stamp here. And I inked the edges. There's this page. Let me see if I could zoom in a little closer. Stay in frame for you. And here's some dyed paper. So I have lots of pockets, some stitching. We got the graph paper. We got a tag with sari silk. I stitched around all of those. The back has coffee dyed paper. And Then we've got another little pocket here with a fold out. Another pocket here, tuck-in pocket with a little card for journaling on. So I tried to make a lot of little hidden spots and tuck spots and stuff like that. And I tried to do a little something on all the pages to keep it nautical looking. It's a little stitching, seahorse. This was from a phone book. So, you know, like that you write your names and addresses and stuff in, address book. So there's a page there. And I reinforced some of the pages with, and just to add some interest with some washi tape. And I did glue that in, so it's not coming out. There's some stitching. And this is just tied in the center. You could always untie it if you want to add beads or anything. And this is another flip out. And here is another piece of muslin with a bead that I made and added the steering wheel thing. And I don't know the actual name because our boat actually has a steering wheel, not this kind. And so I made this bead. I thought that was really pretty. And here's another one of those crazy little tuck pockets. So we have a little tuck spot here with a journaling card. And then we have a little spot in here. This is a little flippy thing here. It flips open. Lots of space for writing. And it's been coffee dyed. Let's see, that went under there. And some stitching and cheesecloth. I like the cheesecloth because it reminds me of like the nets, for like when they're catching fish and shrimping and stuff. So there's another tag, some coffee dyed paper and some stitching. And there's that was in the kit, says Field and Music. And I pretty much kept it blue and green for water. There's a little tuck spot. Here's a little belly band. And that's the first signature, and this is the second. We have another pocket and another flippy out here. So just like I did in the front section. And then this is fabric, and I added some decorative stitching. Another little tag. Little, I think, is that a pocket? No, that I stitched on. Sometimes I make those pockets, but that one was stitched on. Here's another pocket. And another tag spot here. And we have another tab with the fabric. And this is just some coffee dyed graph paper and blue on that side. And there's some writing, stamp. Here's another pocket with a tag. And all this is sari silk. There's another little belly band with a playing card in there. I just did that because I like the boats, the nautical theme. There's the center. It's just tied in a bow again. Another pocket. And this is a little flip out. It's kind of secret. It opens like this. And then can also open... Okay, that way. I have another one I did differently. So this one's just really long. I said I did this in February or in December, so I totally forgot all the little things I did. So here's another bead I made. And we have a button here. And we have another little belly band there and a little flip up here so you could hide stuff under there. And then there is, okay, that's that same one there. And then we got all those same pages. There's another tag. Here's another card with some more stitching. Another flip open paper. Here's the other one, I think. This one. No, that's not it either. I don't know what I did with the other one. So this is just another flip out. And it's another like belly band type thing there, under there. And there's the back page. And I left that so you could put pictures or whatever you want to do there. And the back is blue. And this is blue jean. The stitching is hidden underneath. And I have this vintagey lace. So that is it. That is the Ocean Mist journal kit. And you will find this in my Etsy shop. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And thanks so much for stopping by. And if you like what you've seen so far, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. So I'll see you again soon. Thanks for stopping by. See ya.